Make money like this with CPA marketing in 5 easy steps. Step number 1, copy this link. Step number 2, download this image. Step number 3, paste this text here. Step number 4, push this button. And final step, push this button and start making money with Cpagrip and CPA marketing. Okay guys, so first thing we need to do, we need to find CPA offers to promote. Now for the purpose of this video, I am going to use Cpagrip, but you can successfully apply this CPA marketing method on any other CPA affiliate network. So let's just say, for example, I wish to promote offer for Australian market. So I'm going to click here and then click here on Australia. And here I will see Australian CPA offers. So let's just say, for example, I wish to promote this offer here, become a millionaire. Everybody wish to be a millionaire, right? So here I can see become a millionaire and I can earn only 10 cents. And here you can see for every email submitted, but doesn't matter, okay? So what I need to do, I need to click here and I need to copy this link, my Cpagrip affiliate link, and I need to paste that in Notepad because I'm going to need that, okay? So I cannot find it, so I'll just search Notepad, okay? And here is Notepad and I'm going to paste that here, okay? So next thing I need to do, I actually need to find a viral posts in this niche. In this case, in viral posts in make money online niche. Now I usually like to go on Instagram and here I need to search for pages, big pages in this niche and find posts that are going viral in that niche on that Instagram page. So here on search, I will simply search entrepreneur, okay? And let's just say, for example, this page here. I will open it in new tab and I'm going to check it to see are there any posts that are going viral. Probably there are because this page has 2.3 million followers. So I simply need to hover here to see how many likes and comments each of these posts actually got and to find one that actually went viral. So let me just go. Okay, here you can see this post here, 11,000 likes, 408 comments. So obviously these posts go viral. So all I have to do, just click here. But we cannot just use this post. So what we need to do, we actually need to copy this link here, Control C, and then go on this website, paste it here, press enter, and we are going to download this post. Click here on download, close this ad, and download this post. But like I said, we cannot just go and use this image here because it is not ours. So what we need to do, we need to go on this website here and then click here on select file and let me find that image. This is the image, double click here, give it a second to actually upload this image on this website. And what I need to do next is I actually need to click here on convert. And now this website will automatically convert this image here into text. So I don't have to do that manually. I'm a kind of lazy person, so I do that this way. And here you can see they automatically converted this into text. So what I need to do, I need to copy this. And then I need to go here on Canva and I will choose this template here. So what I need to do, I need to click here on this T for text and let's just say I wish to use this text style, okay? And I'm going to delete this. Because I don't need that, I'm going to delete this and here I'm going to paste this quote. I'm actually going to make this a bit wider, just like this. And also I'm going to make this to be, let's just say this smaller bit, okay? And I will actually move that here and here actually. Okay, so this is not finished yet. We need to do another thing. And what I need to do next, I need to go on this website called QR code generator. And here I need to add my Cpagrip affiliate link. So what I need to do, I simply need to copy this link, okay, copy, and I need to paste that link here, okay. And what I need to do next, I actually need to click here on download JPEG. Here you can see they automatically created a QR code that contains my Cpagrip affiliate link. So when someone scans this code, it will be automatically redirected to my CPA offer. So just click here on download JPEG. And actually it will automatically download this on your desktop. And what I need to do next, I need to go back here on Canva and I need to click here on uploads and I need to click here on upload file and I need to upload that QR code. This is the QR code. Give it a second to upload it on Canva. Okay, it finished, and what I need to do, I simply need to drag it here. But you don't want to be too aggressive. You need to make this smaller. Okay, something like this. And I need to move it here, okay? So you just leave it in lower left corner. Like I said, you don't want to be too aggressive. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to add a call to action. So again, click here on this T, and let's just say we'll use this font style. So I will simply move it here, and I'm going to delete this because I don't need that. And here I can say something like scan me, for example. Something like that. And I will actually make this to be smaller because, like I said, you don't want to be too aggressive because people will say, okay, this is too aggressive. They are obviously promoting something. I don't want to scan it. Okay. So you need to be less aggressive. Something like this. Okay. And you can add some arrows and stuff like that. And this is actually finished post. So what I need to do next, I need to click here on share, and then I need to click here on download. And you can choose PNG or JPEG. I will leave it as a PNG. Click here on download and download this post on your desktop. Next thing we need to do, we need to go here on Pinterest. But you can use any other social network. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to use Pinterest. So I will click here on create a pin, and here I need to upload my post. So I will click here and let me just find the post. Okay, this is the post. And now I need to optimize this pin in order to rank as high as possible on Pinterest search results. Now, I already explained to you how to optimize your Pinterest pins. I will leave you a link in the description to that video. And what you need to do next, you need to just click here on save. You do not need to add your affiliate link because affiliate links are against Pinterest rules. But this way, when you add a QR code, that is quite fine. So all you have to do now is just click here on save, and that's it. Now, in order to boost your Pinterest pin to rank even higher on Pinterest results, what you can do is you can simply go on Add Me Fast. And here on the left side, you can start earning free credits by Twitter tweets, by retweeting Twitter tweets, by following people on Twitter, also giving upvotes on Reddit, following people on Instagram, on TikTok, and so on and so on. And after you earn at least 500 points, 500 credits, click here on add site or site link, choose here Pinterest, so let me just find Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest saves, and then add here title, add Pinterest pin ID, and then click here on save changes, and you will boost your Pinterest pins. And if you optimize that pin properly, then pin will soon start ranking high on search results, and you will start getting free traffic from Pinterest to your CPA offers, and you will start making money with CPA marketing as a beginner in 2023. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.